guess what? Dun, da, da, da! What's up, South Africa, and welcome to another episode of Info with Ian, Cut the Shit Edition. A question I got posed this week. Ian, do I really need insurance once my car's paid off? And the answer is simple. Technically, no. You no longer have a requirement in order to have comprehensive insurance to forward onto the bank year on year, advising them that your asset is still comprehensively insured and well looked after. So, that is the technical answer. The real answer is yes, you need insurance on your vehicle or on your assets. Why? Well, quite simple. A lot of people don't think about it, but at the end of the day, insurance is actually there to protect your financial well-being. Well, Ian, what the hell does that mean? Well, it's quite simple. Nobody thinks about the liability aspect of insurance and how these really do protect you. So, let me give you a hypothetical explanation. You're driving down the road in your currently paid off but uninsured vehicle, minding your own business, having a great time, and as most South Africans, you're probably scrolling through your cell phone trying to find a sick beat so you can fucking pump it the whole way down the road. But what happens in that split second? You hit a pavement, you ramp up the next pavement, luckily no other vehicles are involved, but then you crash through another guy's wall. You're uninsured. That guy's wall is no more. Who do you think is financially responsible for those damages and costs? It's you. That's why you need some form of insurance in place, specifically liability cover, to protect your financial well-being. No insurance, you've just crashed through somebody's wall. You now no longer have a vehicle that's drivable, so there you're out of pocket. You now have to repair the wall or rebuild it for your own cost, out of pocket. That means your disposable income is now almost nothing, depending on who you are, of course, but for most South Africans, with the price of everything going up, you're probably going to be pretty plutsuck when all this is done. Okay, so get yourself some form of liability insurance, because if you had that cover, guess what? Dun, da, da, da! Your insurance would come right to the party. They would ascertain that you had the liability cover in place. They would repair that particular wall, and you would not have to take out a personal loan or some form of financing to repair that at your own expense. So, if you'd like to know more about this and to make sure that you are financially sought after by your insurance company for these hypothetical events, get in touch, get a broker, let us look after you. Cheers.
Ian, have you ever had to make a claim on your building?
Yes. Yeah, it didn't go so well. My roof wasn't well maintained enough, so that was my fault at that time. But lesson learned, very valuable lesson learned.